Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How to Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you fix if your TikTok is showing no internet connection. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to solve this issue, the first thing you should try is to check your internet connection by going into your device setting. And into setting, go to the wireless and network setting and from there choose data use if you are using the cellular data and choose the Wi-Fi if you are into the Wi-Fi network, and into here try disconnecting and connecting the network again, and after that your TikTok will probably start to work again. But if it still doesn't work, you should try restarting your phone, not resetting but restarting. And if even after that it doesn't work, then you should try connecting a VPN. And after connecting a VPN, your TikTok will start to work again. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.